with you. I can't be sad with you. Just take my hand and fly up through the dreams where the skies are so clear. With you, I wanna stay with you.
Gallery wall is the soul of your home. It reflects your personality and the values you and your family believe in. Beautiful memories and inspiring quotes uplift your mood for the day. Welcome to my wall. Yes, it is colorful and budget friendly. Most importantly, it is easily modifiable for the fresh look every season. Let's get started. Start with a blank wall and decide the layout of your collage. It is not necessary to include only frames in here. Think out of the box. Add planters, initials, shadow boxes, and everything that is close to your heart or you stand for. You can use any leftover wood from your furniture or interior work to make these kind of frames in different shapes and sizes. Then spray paint them with your favorite colors. For me, these designer printed paper packs are my best friends. I picked these from a local craft shop, but they are easily available online as well. They come in variety of patterns and designs. Any of these patterns can make a great background for frame decor. Just glue the paper on the back and let the beautiful design display. You can also add a great coat on the foreground or paste a cute photograph on the top. Here I have cut letters from a window cling sheet. You do not need a glue or tape to stick this, as window cling sheet can adhere to glass using static energy. Little succulent planters are in trend right now. Add one on your wall for a modern touch. I have added a few artificial succulents in a circular frame, and to fill the empty space, I have used a few decorative stones. On this wooden plank, I have painted a word in my native language, Gharkul, which means home. This reflects my roots and where we have come from. A little dream catcher can never go out of style. I have made this very basic form of dream catcher to include in my gallery wall. There are many more intricate and beautiful dream catchers available in the market which you can use, or there are a lot of tutorials also available on YouTube which you can refer to make your own dream catcher. You can paint your favorite pattern on a card sheet and use it as a background. To make your drawing easy, cut a template on a piece of paper and repeat the pattern. You can involve your kids in this process as well. I am sure they will have a blast. I hope you enjoyed watching my video. Now go ahead and explore your creativity. Design your own version of gallery wall.